We're trying to take skin out of our scalp, right? So yeah, let's get right into it.
Hot water from the kettle.
The towel check-in. Nothing. Yes. Let's get into this. My hair looks so horrible, guys. Embrace. I have this
Temperature check.
My comb does not enter this hair at this point. This is why.
Pouring from the end.
Stretch it out. Just to make the combing bearable. Bearable. We're trying to take skin out of our scalp, right?
So I'm just pouring the water at the end of the strands and I'm going to massage it into the hair closer to the scalp. Been trying to burn, right? Wow, how is your afro so soft? To go ahead and watch my previous videos and see the benefits of aloe vera.
Way out of the bath, you know. We are going all the way in with the Vaseline. This is our aloe that we'll be using. As you can see, I got it out of my garden. It's so small, but anyways, I took from my hair. And then we're going to be using this detangle because we need to detangle this hair after a month of not brushing. And this, what do we call this? A comb, you're right. But it's a wide comb, not those skinny things that people be using. I mean, of course your hair is going to break all those skinny stuff. Your hair is not conditioned for all of these brush skinny comb. Now here, you see, at least now our hands can get into this hair. Prior it could not. So I'm just going to section it into beautiful little sections, beautiful little things. Nice little sections. Guys, this hair is not even sticking. Hey, but home.
The two methods I like to use on my hair and I'll be showing you guys both. First method, a little close-up of what we want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my hair and make sure every single strand gets some of it.
It's just not hairy.
Okay, don't forget the edges. Getting the aloe on every single strand and on the tips as well. So for the first method, I just cut the aloe vera open and I used the leaf to get the gel onto my hair by rubbing it on my hair. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair like a naturalist should.
Now you're going in with the Vaseline because we need Vaseline in this hair.
Don't need that much, just a bit on the index finger. Massage that in. Now I'm just gonna go in and massage the Vaseline into the hair. Massage. And as moisture and lock, right? So now we're gonna do 3-stranded braids. 1, 2, 3, and we repeat it all the way down. A quick how to do 3-stranded braids dropped here just for you guys. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this over here just so that you could go ahead and practice, girl. Repeat. So now I'm basically cutting the aloe open so that we could get the gel. Yes, and get it onto my hair. Slippery. This is another method you can use to just get the gel to apply on your hair, and it has less of the green segment that covers the gel. You know what it is? Just going in there with the massage because every single strand of hair needs to get some of that aloe gel.
We've reached the end, so we're done with part 1, and I'm gonna stay like this the whole day, and we'll be back with part 2. Do stay tuned as we get this hair back together and in shape.